What's up, you guys? Welcome to the video. If you're new here, my name's Josh, sitting in my 2015 F22 M235i. This Alpine White Beauty has about 50,000 miles on it, and we just recently hit 2 years of ownership. Let's hop right in. Alright guys, so 2 years of ownership. Wow, it's been quite a ride. It's literally been a very quick 2 years. But I can confirm, getting in this car 2 years later is still just as much fun as the day I got it. You know, it's crazy. Every build has their story, and mine's definitely a very interesting story, so who knows, maybe I'll save that for another video. But 2 years of ownership, and all I can say is, wow, I'm really glad I brought out the M in this M235i. It's been so much fun to build, and it's crazy how every single time I reach like a plateau of where I see my vision for this car and where I see things moving forward, it's like I hit that plateau of where I want to go, and then I can see the next step, and it's like as I take steps further, the vision just grows and grows, and it's like I'm painting in a piece, the masterpiece of this car, this vision. And as I paint in more and as it gets more colorful, you can see the vision more. So I'm really content with where this car is. It's crazy, 2 years later, like where we were at, all the little things we've done to get this far. I'm really content with where the car is now, and everything where the car is right now is very temporary because there's some big changes coming. Let's go out. Alright guys, here it is, 2 years of ownership, and this is where she sits. Yeah, I know, I went a little crazy with the stickers, but I guess that's just a testament to the way this summer has been. Guys, I'm actually genuinely curious, like, how's your summer been? Was your life flipped upside down? I mean, I've been working from home for 6-7 months now, and pretty much my entire routine, everything I had planned for this summer got completely switched around. So I mean, even my creative flow for the plans I had for this summer and this channel and my photography and my website, building this car, I mean, so many events were canceled. So guys, I'm genuinely curious, like, how was your summer? Like, was your summer flipped on top of its head like it was for me? Like, my entire routine was completely just flipped upside down. So yeah, let me know. So yeah, here's what 2 years of ownership looks like. We got the decals looking beautiful, but there's also a lot of changes besides just more stickers. So the first thing I want to note is a big shout out to KG Splitters on Instagram. So my good friend Mike met Carrie Getz, who's actually a pro skateboarder. Really cool story how they met, but Carrie actually makes custom splitters, side skirts, custom pieces. So you can get these wrapped in carbon fiber. I went with the matte black just because that's what the theme of what my car is going on right now. But guys, the side skirts, it looks so aggressive. I was always content with the side skirts I had as subtle, but once I saw Mike's car at Impact, these side skirts they're subtle enough but aggressive enough to make it worth it. And for the price, you really can't beat Carrie's prices. It's crazy. So now I posted a few pictures on my Instagram, so I had one person notice this, and yeah, I'm rocking the stock diffuser right now. I rebadged the car with the M235i logo in black, and now I'm rocking the stock diffuser. And the reason for that is because with the M Performance diffuser, the tips were like sunken in, but with the stock diffuser, my AWE tips are literally popping. So flush, so perfect. So I mean, yeah, the stock diffuser really matches absolutely nothing. It's got that ferret gray color. I guess it matches the stock mirror caps, but I don't really know what was going on with that diffuser, but whatever. We're gonna rock the stock diffuser for now, mainly for these tips. And then also, no one else notices as well, but I also wrapped the badges. Look at that. No more silver. The outer lining is blacked, as well as the BMW emblem for the letters are blacked. It's just the little things. I think it looks really good. But guys, this is all just the temporary look for this car, as there's some big changes coming. So right now I'm really content. The interior is flawless. The interior is perfect. I went a little crazy with the stickers just because I want to get rid of the side stripes. So I want to get rid of these side stripes up in here, as well as the rocker panels. I want to get rid of those, but I can't because the paint's a little messed up underneath on the passenger side. So I figured I'm gonna rock this for a little bit. I'll go a little crazy with some stickers, We'll rock the M Power banner. We'll rock the grills to switch it up so I don't have to always have my carbon grills on. And we're going to rock this for a little bit. But there's a few things that are going to get changed. And then I think what we're going to do, we're going to wrap this car and change the color. So yeah, I know, I went overboard with all these stickers, but this is just temporary. Guys, we're going to wrap this car. So, I mean, shit, you guys got to let me know. Take some guesses. I got a color in mind. It's going to be pretty crazy, but I'm not 100% sold. There's so many things I'm trying to do right now. But yeah, that's on the agenda. We're officially going to wrap this car. As well as, before I do that, I've been trying to make mod videos. I've been trying to, every time I do like a mod video, I really get to the point where I've done too many mods that by the time I finish the video, I didn't cover everything I've done. So we're going to break down mod videos in a matter of 3 separate videos: interior mods, exterior mods, and performance mods. Guys, I have lists of videos coming. It's just a matter of my creative flow and not being too crazy at work. But here it is. This is the whip after 2 years of ownership. What do you guys think? 2 years of ownership, shining in the sun. Damn guys, 2 years of ownership. It felt like a breeze. It's been a quick 2 years. I feel like I just got this car yesterday. I still have that same smile to get in my face to drive it every single day. I really just feel like bringing out the M and the M235i, this car is just, it's just truly one of a kind. You really never see these cars. I mean, I don't know if it's just my area, East Coast, like South Jersey. I never see these cars besides straight up seeing my boy Mike's car. I never see M235i's. So I really like to just, the aspect of uniqueness there, but I'm really excited for just to continue with my vision and really make this car like not only just, you know, a track ready show car, but really that one-of-one vision that I see for myself in this car and building this YouTube channel. So I'm definitely super excited. Guys, I have lists and lists of video ideas. The creative flow is just, I'm working on it, but the videos, I will get there. But as much as like obviously I dictate the trajectory of this channel, it's my YouTube channel, it's my vision, but I'm also like very interested to see like, what do you guys, as you know, BMW enthusiasts to BMW enthusiasts, you guys, like, what do you guys want to see? I mean, I think by the time I'm posting this video, we're about at 800 subscribers, so I'm super grateful for that. Like 2 years of experience and about a year now of YouTube, and you know, the ups and downs of that in my creative journey. But to have almost 800 subscribers, about 800 now, to almost 1,000 subscribers, I'm super grateful. But the reason why I'm bringing that up is, if you guys are here before we hit that first plateau for me of 1,000, so I want you guys to know, as BMW enthusiasts, I really do appreciate you guys being before I hit 1,000, because you guys are going to be able to look back and see like, wow, I remember when this kid had, you know, 500 subscribers and now he's all of a sudden hit 1,000. And then, you know, the goal has always been to hit that first milestone of 1,000, but I want to know, you know, what your guys' input is. Like, what do you guys want to see as, you know, my OG subscribers, as the people that are helping me build this platform? So if you're here before 1,000 subscribers, I seriously appreciate you. I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. We'll see how that goes. But seriously, like, think about that. Like, my goal, 1,000 subscribers, and then we're going to put a 0 after that 1,000. But think about what happens when this channel really starts to grow, and what happens in a few years when I grow from making videos in my parents' driveway in a little garage port to creating my own garage and my own studio and getting my own place. So guys, I want you to recognize like where we're at right now at 800 subscribers and where this is going. Like, I genuinely value you guys and I appreciate you guys, and I want to know what your input is. Like, what do you guys want to see from me? Whether it be more, I mean, I can't really do any more modifications, that's all I ever do, but whether it be, you know, maintenance or just daily vlogs, let me know. For real, I definitely do value your guys' input as much as, you know, obviously I value you guys watching this video. So, without further ado, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.